Okay. Mention his dimensions. Whatever your dimension is, take.
16,
Not this is 160 or 150. I just take it in 160 and then whatever it is,
Okay.
I just take it as 160. Uh, okay. This one look like 160 distance right there. Okay. And then after that, what you do? Just follow this for
Radius.
and then that is I take here right now. Exist my sketch.
Yes.
Okay. And you can also show your plane. Go to this portion and then I want to make as a plane in this direction. So then you can use it as a reference or it is better to you. Select this
Okay.
portion, select this column and then right here. Go to again to the sketch, make a sketch right here.
Okay.
And the center position. Remember that you can make it by the using the center position. And right there, you can write any distance, I suppose 70 right here. Okay,
Okay.
70. Click on OK. Go ahead to your sketch, go to feature, and then select your strip boss space. Okay.
Okay.
This is your profile, and this is your sketch. This is your circular sketch right there. Okay. And circular profile here. And then you want to thin it, then use a thin feature. Okay.
Yeah. I looked at him feature. I didn't see that. That's
Okay. Whatever you want to do. And then I
okay.
use this outside thin feature, not an inside. Okay. Because I want
Okay.
to, if you want to do inside, then you can do as inside also, but I want to make it as outside, right? Okay.
Okay.
But you can want to profile mat. One thing is remember if you do as a profile mat, one thing is remember that you need to be as a center position line. Okay. Say
Yeah.
a center point line. Okay. Center axis where you want to profile it in between the center. Okay. So that's why I make a profile right there to where you want to profile make here to the front plane where you want to get and go to the sketch. Same thing you can make here to the by edit right here. You can select where I just select it and after that I apply the dimensions. Same dimension we use here to 160 by 160.
Okay.
Okay. And then here, same thing, you can write here to 160 object. And after that same offset, you can check here. And this is your
Radius.
center
Yeah.
profile will
Yeah.
be made here. Save it. What's your name here to save? Okay.
Okay.
So to save this portion, I just already have to save it. This is a simple way you can create. Let's show you assembly right now. The way you I don't want to do is assembly. I just go to the desktop and I just make here is some profiles I did. Not this one. I think I made another what they बना दिया नहीं कहीं तो बना दिया okay. Here I make this type of profile, right? Okay.
Yes.
This one and this one profile. I do go
Right.
make two types of profile right here and then click on open.
Right.
This is your first profile. This is your second profile, right? One profile is your, and then in this profile we have to center mark it. Remember that this
Yes.
is point mark.
Yeah.
This is 2D profile I need here. First of all, I float this point, and second of all, I just fix this.
Yes.
Okay. After this, first of all, align this profile to inside this portion. By directly way to you can use here to do as well by using you go to the mat, select the mat, and nothing we can do here. Just select your part mat.
Okay.
So first of all, select your component. To in this section, you can select the point component
No.
vertex. This is my vertex center point where you can work connected it, and then select your path. Okay. Remember this selection of the path is by this is line. That's why this other option, these are other option. Then we can do the selection manager right there. And then what I do, I say select all and click on yes. Right. This will be attached. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can see here. If I do as well, you can see here. This will be work. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. This is fine. Now you can do as well. This is just user part method. There is nothing other mess you want to do here. Simple we can create.
Yes.
Okay, just click. right now?
Yes.
What you want to do? Okay, that's fine. Let's just close it. But I don't want to make this one. I don't want to make this also. So you put automatic. Okay, come to the another one. Assembly. You can talk about the latest CAM mat. For the mat assembly, I go to the CAM mat and I select this four options. I just select these three options. This is important for us.
Okay.
Uh, Let me just start with the right thing. Uh, and then this one I'll use. And this one I use it. Alright. Right now, I want to do one thing. Yeah. What's the cam profile is do? If you want to show, here's a cam profile.
Mm,
I just show you the cam profile zip.
okay.
This is the cam profile work, okay? And this
Okay.
section you can show here, okay? Where you have this part, where this will be motion by using the their cam profile. When we have to come this location, this is a tangent part right there. This point to this point is a tangent work. And this
Okay.
direct way you can do, as you can do as well by the multiple mat apply here, but you can by using this way, you can directly single mat you can use here. This is called the
Okay.
cam profile. This type of creation you can do by the cam profile. And this is
No.
just a simple example of cam profile. And then remember that all the three objects are the movable. Okay, so just remember that all the three objects are movable. So this is all
Okay.
parts are movable.
Okay.
One thing you know about the in the assembly, one parts is always fixed. But in this case, not all parts are fixed. Then what you do? I want to fix this position in any way where you can rotate this part. Then how can we do that? For this portion, I just select the parallel planes for this part. I select here the parallel plan for this part. Go to the sketch one, and then I make a sketch, and then I make a simple circle. Okay, because I want to reference. And then what's the circle diameter? What is this? It doesn't matter. You can choose anything, any diameter, anything. First, I want to match this center profile to this center profile. Okay,
Okay.
this I exit it. Go to the assembly one again. Go to the mat,
Okay.
and then you can select this circular profile to this profile. Okay,
Okay.
so I think this will be not working. I just delete it. Okay, suppose I select this center profile, not this one. I think I just select here. Click on OK. Okay, mat is not working. Okay. Center profile I use here to the center in this position. Okay. Because I want to center it to this position. And if you want to move on it, you can move on this portion. Okay. And
Okay.
this, and then you can move on it. Okay. By moving this portion right there. Okay.
It's not center, right? Yeah.
Yeah. This is the center of this axis because I need the center of this axis. Okay. After this, I
Okay.
select this profile and then select this one also. Okay. I just attach them because I don't want to move a pallet also. Okay.
Okay.
This
Okay.
is just a reference point to do when you want to fix one thing. Okay. And right now,
Okay.
this is not moving, just this moving in this direction right there. This is I want to do here.
Okay.
You can also do as well. You don't need to be show your sketch. Then you can hide the sketch because sketch just for the reference, not the user. You can hide this sketch. After that, I want to make this one, and then I just make it this portion
Okay.
to this portion, this portion
Okay.
to this center profile.
Yeah, concentration.
I just delete it. Just select this one. I just select this one and this
Okay.
center points right there. And next one, what I do? I just
Mate.
select this piece, and this will be attached right. Okay.
Mm,
This is a cam part I make here. Okay. And then one thing I also do here, rotate it, this portion to this portion. Okay. That's good. After that, I want to make here as a cam position right here. So how can we make the cam? This is my cam, okay, and this is my profile. So how can we do that? Just go to the mat, select my cam. Where is my cam? In mechanical mat, we have the cam mat. Select the cam mat. Okay, in this cam mat, we have cam part and cam follower. This is my cam part. Okay, where you select this cam part, and this is my cam follower. This lower is my cam follower. Click on the cam follower. Okay, right here, and
Okay.
click on. Okay. Okay. This is right here, and just you can enhance this portion. Just use one thing also to the matrix, this portion to this
This.
portion.
Okay.
Click on OK. This type of match is now selected here. Okay, something is like receiver. This portion to this portion. And after that, this portion to. I just attach it, and after that I click on it. Okay, that's clear. If I move on it, then what you see here, you can came on with work. Right there, you can see that. If you move this part, your cam will be work. Right?
Okay.
This is called a cam.
Cam. Okay.
Okay, right here. You can just use the attachment and then do as well. If it's the this portion you can do as well. You can cam or also work right there. Okay. This is needed
Okay.
when we have this data. Right? Right there. This is called
Yeah.
a cam profile. Cam mat. Where you want to cam it this type of object, then you can cam it, you can use it.
Okay.
Uh, that's good. Okay, that's fine. Okay. This is clear to how to cam mat is done.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
After it, we talk about the other one mats is here. This other one mechanical mats is my. I talk about the slot mat right there. Okay. I talk about the slot mats. Not, I don't talk about right now as a slot mat. I just talk about as a hinge mat. As the yesterday class, we talk about the hinge mat. Okay. So we
Okay.
can use as a slot mat. Okay. First of all, we talk about the slot mat. What the slot mat is to. I just cancel the mat. Go to the close. I just use a new mat. Assembly. Go to this part, and then I use as a slot mat. Slot mat is means that you can make a some slot like that. Okay, I just make a slot one first of all. I just close it. I don't need to be big glass and I just close it. I just for make your the make right here. How to make is a slot mat simple one. I just make as a part. Okay, simple one. I just do to the by using the sketch. I just make here is the smartphone and then the distance I mark as a 150. The coordinate I use here. After that, I use as a slot. Which slot I use here? I use a center point arc slot.
Okay.
First of all, select this arc slot,
Okay.
and by this way you can select here and then make as a slot of this type, half semicircle slot, right? And just
Okay.
make this type of object. Okay. Mark as a smart dimension. This radius is here. Suppose I use as a 60,
Okay.
and then this radius I take as a 50. And then this is part I make here. Exit my sketch, go to the feature, go to the actual cross space, and then
Okay.
you can access this by the B7 profile way. Okay.
Okay.
In this case, also the path is followed, but in this case, we don't need to be a path. Okay. To the path right there. This is my the first profile, okay, first slope.
Yes.
So I see this profile. I just do as well, and then I save as a pivot. Name is a pivot. And after that, I make here one of the new profile I write here. Assembly, go to the assembly, and then use it. Oh no, sorry, I just use it as assembly one. Okay. Like first of all, I make the one. I just close it. I just make a part first. Front plane, I do as the same plane I take here, and then make the sketch. Make a simple look. This time, guess is same as it is. So this stages is 15, then this will be taken as a 30. Okay. Yes. All right. Okay. And what you do, go to the exit schedule feature, go to the exit boss space, select 20 mm where you want to select here. You can select any of the plane, you can select the mid plane and whatever plane you want to select here, but this is okay. Right there. This is just a path and then just use as a color also. And just use it and then show as different way. All body, like this one, also select and select this one. Okay, save it. And name is the P2. Right, close it. And then I may show you the slot mode right here. To coordinate this, you click on new assembly, go this turn new assembly, click on, and then what you select this two profile. Click on it. First of this, second of this, right?
Okay.
Then what you want to show here, I want to make as a slot profile right here. So you see that this is my slot, and then I want to insert this part in this direction right here. Then how can
Okay.
we do that? For this section, what I do? First of all, you can after that you can use this thing. I just go to the mate first, and then use as a mechanical mate, and then use a mechanical slot mate. Okay, and then what you do? You can select two profile. First of all, inner profile of this portion and then outer profile of this portion, right? Okay.
Okay.
And this two places you can do as a, and then click on OK. This will be work as right there. Okay. You would see that your profile will be work in this direction. After that, you can simple one, you can do as one thing also. You can select this profile, this piece, and then OK. Right, this one is based on the issues right here. Right now, why this one is based on the issue? Okay, because in this direction you can't move the formation in this other one. I just want to do this. This. Okay, that's what I want to do here. Okay. Now, right now you can do as well. Right? This is called a slotment. Where you can slot it in the slot direction. Right there. We can roll on anything inside the slot direction. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
This is called simple one is my slot.
And we need to make any center line for moving or just we just.
No, those doesn't need this here. Where we have the slot and then profile where you can want to slot it, you can use
And
it. Mm.
okay.
Yeah.
And it is locked. It will be go outside or just.
No, not a go outside. You can just make it yourself. First of all, you can make is your plane is same. This one plane are same because this will be attached right there on the
Okay.
same plane. And then you can after that you can slot it. Correct?
Okay.
The simple way you can create your slots right there.
Okay.
Uh, After that, we come to the next one part of the make here because I want to complete my makes first right here. Okay, in
Okay.
this section, we have other one makes are there. In mechanical makes, we have the next one make is your gear make. Okay, in which I already told as a static class, I just talk about the gear make. Okay, gear make is used for the making the gears. Okay, you can rotate your gears by one gear to other gears right there. This is for the gear make right there. And how can we do the gear? First of all, I delete this and then I close this. We'll save it right here. Go to the new, click on assembly, click on this, and select the need as a gear. And then I select the base first of all, and then select the this base and this gear. Okay, just we need these two types of things. Click on this one. This is my base and this is my gear. Okay, I just want to show as a gear as this direction, right? Okay. First of all, I just copy this gear by using a control and then shift it and click on it. Do two gears are right. I just want to do one thing. When I rotate this gear, then this whole gear always be rotated. Then first of all, do what you do. First of all, align this gear on this road. How to do that? For this, go to the mate, select this profile and select this center profile. Then what you see here, this is my center profile will be done. After that, I just click on OK, and then we can also do as well to select this section and select this form section, and then this will be what done. Right now, you can do as well, and then if you rotate it, this will be rotated in any direction. Okay.
Okay.
Same thing
Okay.
I want to do as well to this portion is also. I just select this mate, and click on OK. Then again, you can do as well to select this piece and this piece because I want to make as a micro piece. Right now,
Yeah.
if I rotate this, so this gear rotates this side and this gear rotates analytically. But what I do want to do, I want to do one thing. If I rotate any of them gears, next gear will always be rotate as this portions right there. Where we align your teeth, okay?
Okay.
Align your teeth right there. To align the teeth is better, okay? And then one gear rotate other one gears. For this part, we can what we do. For this version, you can do as well. So we do as by using the mechanical mat. Come to the mechanical mat, select the gear, right? And then
Okay.
here you can select any profile of this. You can select this one is, and then same one is this one. Okay, same portion we can select it the both the side and click on OK. Okay, if you do that, then what will happen? If you rotate one gear, then other gear also be rotated. Okay, in the reverse section, right?
Okay.
Okay, this is
Uh,
called a gear profile. Or using this way to making to rotate one gear to other one gear by using the gear profile.
okay.
Okay, that's clear. This is a
Yes.
ratio between that. If I use a ratio by 5500, then what will be happen? This will be short. But you can remember that. So if you gear have same size, then ratio will be same. If you gear have a different size, then ratio will be different. You can also do a reverse. But I don't think this will be reversible. Okay, this is well edged for. Right? This is called the gear method. Okay, where you can gear it by yourself, right? Okay.
No.
Also, I do as a motion activities and then go to the motion activities. I just use a motor. Okay, I just click on the mat. I just upload the mat. After the motor, rotating motor here, component to be rotate. This is component is rotated mat. Okay, any direction, right? 100 RPM, whatever you want to show here, 100 RPM. Okay, this is clear. And after that, you can play it. Then this will be blocked. I think. Right?
Mm.
You can show it this way. This one
Oh,
is getting it. Okay.
okay.
This
Yeah.
is sort of gear. Okay. This is called a gear, right? So, come to this next one part. This is simple gear mat. Come to the next one is your. If I show the mat here, we have another one mat is this is my rack and pinion mat. Rack and pinion mat is means that I just show you the rack and pinion mat as an example of mat right there. Just delete it one, and then I just show you the file. Is rack and pinion. Yeah. One second. Let's open this file, but this will not work. Okay. For the rack and pinion, we start my new assembly. In other words, if this file is open, then this will be easy to use. The symbol of the second pin is make as different. This is your base. This is your other pass. This is your other pass, and this is your multiple pass are there where you want to rotate this. Okay. This is your gears, okay? And this is your assembly portion where you want to show here this portion. Then what
Okay.
side I do one thing. First of all, I just select my base
Okay.
and select this portion. Select this portion, and this portion, and after that this portion and this portion.
Okay.
Okay, all the portion I select here. Going to open the file. क्या दिक्कत है? File open क्यों नहीं हो रही? So again,
Okay.
please open the. यार कुछ तो बताइए कल तो काम कर रहा था कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम है इसके बिना तो होगा नहीं बनाने का
Mm.
टाइम है नहीं okay something is messy with that क्योंकि बेस ही नहीं है तो फिर हम कैसे करें okay I just show you what so air can pinion because air can pinion is same as like the gearbox okay because I just show you air can pinion so how the air can pinion work okay?
Okay.
Just use a zip because file is not working right now
Okay.
okay this is called a rack and this is called a pinion
Okay.
okay and this type of rack and pinion work where this portion is rotated and this portion is used this is called a rack and pinion okay
Okay.
and if I do as well suppose I want to I don't need as this one I just delete this one or yes to all okay and if I have something to this one to send libraries I just check this I have the rack and pinion where they go or just use the ISO this is the ISO and just show your rack and pinion. I have this. I think I don't have this. The rack and pinion. Washer have, pins have, rings and bearing have. Okay.
Yes.
I
Mhm.
think this file is not working right now, and then I
Okay.
don't have that much time to be make here. Then I just
Okay.
take a other one example is there for the not the rack mount. Then we can take other one example is my screw mat. Okay. So go to
Okay.
this portion again. After that, I screw mat. Open the screw mat. Okay, in the screw mat, we use the nut and bolt, simple nut and bolt.
Okay.
Right? This is my nut and this is my bolt. Okay.
Okay.
Two types of nut and bolt here. We can use this for the as click on this part and then simple one what should I do? First of all, you can do as well select this simple one right? You can do here. So what I do, just select this portion and then select it.
Okay.
Okay. And then if I use as a plate, and what's this second one is do? I then select the center one and select the center one.
Okay.
Okay. This one is to do as well. Okay. After this, you can do and then rotate it. Okay.
Okay.
And one thing I can do as well to be coincident and just edit it, not today. Go to the portion and I make as a distance between them is by 11 m. And this one is fine. Okay. I, I want to do as well. And then what I do, just use as a go to the mechanical max, and then once to do here as a pure screw mat. Okay. Go to the
Okay.
screw mat. Okay.
Yes.
And this is an evolution per mm. This my 5 is per evolution. And then what I do, select your match. So first of all, select the ease of the element.
Okay.
Here, then select the ease. Someone is created. This will be not working right there. One second. I just do one thing. I just delete this mate, all the mate. It's just
Okay.
and percentage match. If I do as a percent, okay, yes, yes. Percentage is true. After that, I do as well. I just one thing do. I just course enter this position, and then one thing I do, go to the mate section, select
Mm-hmm.
the mechanical mate, select the screw mate, and select the any is like that for the mate section. I just select okay, and then you can select here the edge of this. Okay, unable to match these entities. I think. Yeah. Uh, I'll just list this all. I just choose a design library. I have a scroll. I export the screw. Okay, M30. I just choose M24. Washer piece. Or any piece you can select here.
Okay.
And then
Length.
okay, elements one copy.
Okay.
And then here, I can monitor this, but all that I use here. This is my wall M24, right? Okay. Then
Okay.
next one, I don't need to be bolt again. I just need to be bolt. Okay.
Okay.
Then go to the nut bolt. Extra nuts. Okay. Any nuts you can show it.
Okay.
And then select the M24 or ready. Okay. Not to be need to be insert other one.
Okay.
First of all, I use it as a go to the mate and select the mechanical. Go to this. Select any portion of the screw
Okay.
and select the inside portion of this screw.
Okay.
Okay. And you can have this one and click on OK.
Okay.
Now, right now, you can do okay, okay. Yeah. Other mates I also
So
do.
we need to click on screw or just
One second, I do this. Uh, just use this one. Just apply the mate, but what they are doing.
maybe bolt need to rotate and then
I just want to do one thing. Uh, I just delete it first of all.
okay.
Uh, I think continue as what Go to the mechanical screw. The screw right there.
Yes.
Click on the again, then come to the again page. First of all, I want to do one thing. I
Okay.
select is center profile to the center profile.
Yes.
And after this, I see this. Okay, this will be done as a post-centric will be done. We don't need to be post-centric because post-centric is doing. Let's love it. Okay, then I just use here. Mm, I just delete the post-centric.
Okay.
One thing I do, I just start my axis to axis, the temporary axis. I do one thing. This is my temporary axis too. Then what I do? I go to the mat. I just mat the axis to axis right there. Okay, not to
Okay.
select this piece. I just select the axis what? This axis to this axis. Okay,
Okay.
because axis to axis mat is important. That's why this will be done after this. Okay, that's what's okay. This is right there. I just want to access this axis. Just next one I do, I just hide this axis because I don't need the axis right there. I just need to be access to be made it is proper way. After
Mm.
that, you can do as a screw mat. Go to the screw mat.
Okay.
For the screw section, you can select the any face of the screw and then inner face, outer face, whatever face you can want to do. I just select this piece, and after that you can select here same place of this sections also. Okay, and click on OK right there. Now, what will be happen? If you do as this is will work as a screw hole. Okay, and then if you
Okay.
do as thick, this will be work as well.
Okay.
But I click again screw mat and then I used to do the distance is 5 mm of the each variability. Then you can evolve it first. Okay, this one is
Okay.
screw after that. Okay, this way you can screw mat is work. You can real put the screws will be do as well. Okay, if you want to motion set this right here, go to there, click on this mate again, and then go to the motor, select this piece. Okay, and then you can increase your RPM, and then I increases 5x into click on OK. And if I click on this portion, no, I just want to do as well. Okay, this is just a way you can show.
Okay.
I think I just click on it. This okay, place. Okay. Uh, okay. Just stop it. I just adjust my movement.
Okay.
Not to this direction, this direction. Click on OK. Done it. Okay. This is like the experiment when I just adjust it in the formation.
Okay.
Okay. I just make a slow.
So we need to move
Uh,
the.
Direction is in anything. I think it's not this direction. I just change the direction I did. Okay. This way you can get better way. I just start. Uh, then this will be done. This is on. I just type it. Model view. This is just a way. On the side, just rotate it by yourself and then make them as well. Okay.
Okay.
You can also do one thing. If you want to mate here, then you can do as you learn about the one mate is your advanced mate is your width mate, right?
Yes.
Width selection. First of all, select your width. This is a width to this person, and select the tab selection where you have the tab, right?
Okay.
And then you can select the free. Click on OK. Okay, this one is not working right here. Okay, this one is not working. But you have to be set as the width as right there because as this position will be set as before the making the this type of mate. But this is better. Right?
Yes.
This is called a simple
That.
screw mate, where you can use it like a screw to move it like a screw.
Good.
By this way, you can create a screw mate right here. Just create this point and just create it inside it, and this will be work as like that. Right? Just
Yes.
make yourself and it's better.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, one mate I also explain this well is my next mate is your mm, in the mechanical mate. We have last mate is called as universal joint mates. Okay, you can see here the universal joint where if the one person is moved, then other person is automatically moved in the distance. Okay, how to make is this? Just I show you universal joint.
Okay.
Just come to this portion and go to the new. Just close this me file profile. Go to the new assembly.
Okay.
We have some example for this portion is that we go to the math assembly and then have a universal joint. Click on the universal joint and select my base and soft. Okay. So this is selected. Okay. This is my base and this is my
Yes.
soft.
Okay.
This is my soft right here. One thing also you want to copy this up to this options and then okay you can also rotate it to this direction. That's it. That's right. The next one is this to go to the mate first.
Okay.
Select this center profile
Okay.
and select this profile. Right. After
Okay.
that, select this profile and select this profile. Okay.
Okay.
This one is- And then you can see here this will be rotated right here. Okay. Same thing we done here. I just select here the center profile. I select here the center profile on as well. Click on OK and then same. You can select this portion, this piece, and this will be done.
Yes.
If I see this here, if I move out this direction, this will be not moving. This will be stationary. Okay. If I move
Yes.
it, but I what want to do here. If I move this one, this will move. This one is also moved. This is called the universal. This will be done by using the universal method. So how to
Yes.
do the universal method? Then is go to the mechanical method. Go to the universal joint. Okay. Go to the universal joint. Okay, inside the universal joint, you can select the mat option. First of all, select any face of this one, same face of this one. Okay, okay,
Okay.
and click on OK. Okay,
Okay.
click on OK.
Okay.
After that, you see that if you rotate this one, this will be rotated.
Oh, okay.
Okay, okay. Any one of you can rotate here. Second one is already rotated. This is called as a
Mm.
universal mat, universal joint mat. Just clear how to do
Okay.
that? Okay.
Yes.
One thing is remaining is eight finger. We can talk as later. This is your mechanical bits. Okay. There
Okay.
and then some parts are remaining after we start the seat method. Okay. That's clear.
Okay. Yes, clear.
Do as practice after we talk as later. Okay.
Okay.
That's fine.
Okay. And can you upload that video?